So, and then you go ahead and glue. And then set this one on the top. Okay, and then it will open up just like a little fan. So after you do that, now if you wanted to use 8, you could take it to where it would go all the way around. So, but since we're not using 8, it only goes that far, and we're not making a full one because I'm putting it on the hat. So after you do this, go ahead and take some good scissors, and halfway through your second scallop, halfway through it, you just want to go ahead and cut straight across, because now your little pumpkin will stand up straight. Okay? But you only want to do this with, well, I'm only doing it with the black one because the black one is on the bottom. And I'll probably do it with the green one, but the orange, I don't know if I'll do it with the orange and the purple or not. So go ahead and do that. And then you can take your one. Now I'm making the stems the same color just because that's what it is in the picture. So you want to go ahead and, this is a 1 1/4 circle punch. Go ahead and punch one out and then move it over just a little bit and punch that piece out. And then cut the top off. Get your fingers to work properly. Put a little dab of glue. And I'm not going to put any leaves or anything like that just because I like to try to stay with what the picture is. And go ahead and put your stem on. So there's the stem. Okay? Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the glue gun and I'm going to put some glue all over the top, all over the back. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set this right in with the ribbon. Well, maybe a little higher with the ribbon. So there's that one. Now I'm going to go ahead and quickly do it with the other ones. So my pumpkins are all finished, and I'm just going to go ahead and glue them on. So there is that part. Now for the spider. So I'm going to go ahead and use the 1 1/4 inch punch. Again, because that's how we're going to make his little legs. And then I am going to use the 1 3/8 punch for his body. So there, oh, there we go again with the black on black. So there's that. Oop. Yep, okay. Sorry guys, just making sure I'm doing the right one. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut that out. And then I'm going to move over. I'm going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 legs. I know he's supposed to have 8, but sorry. And so what we're going to do is, because this looks more like a spider leg on this end, so we're not going to cut it off this time. We're just going to go ahead and we're going to leave it. So, and I'm just going to put that on with some sticky strip. So I'm just going to put 2 little things right there. And I'm going to flip it over. And I'm just going to place his legs where I think they should be. Without sticking to it, hopefully. And then hopefully sticking them about the same on the other side as well. So there is my spider, my spider and my spider body. Now I'm going to make his eyes. And I kind of like real eyes. So I am going to go ahead, and I have those 2 punches. I have the 1/4 inch circle, and I have this, I don't even know the size of this one, but this is the circle from the punch pack. So we're just going to go ahead and use this one for his eyes. And you want to use a piece of white, and you want to go ahead and just punch out 2 of these in white. And you want to punch out 1 in black. Okay? And then actually you want to take the 1/4 inch and punch out 2 of those in black. Now if you don't have this 1/4 inch one, you can always use your Crop-A-Dile as well. That one works great too. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use some snail. And I'm going to stick these 1/4 inch ones right onto the white ones. I keep getting stuck to everything. Tonight just must be my night. Then I'm going to take a sponge dauber, which I keep all of mine in this case, which I have probably told you all before, and get my basic black one out, because I have them all labeled. And I'm going to use some basic black ink, and I am going to sponge all the way around this wee little one. I know, black on black, but you can actually really tell a difference most of the time. And then I'm going to take a half, not a whole. You'll see my cut up little dimensionals, because I keep 1/2 or 1 little thing of dimensionals that is cut up, so I don't have to sit there and cut them every time. So I'm going to take a half of a dimensional and put it on the back of this black one. Then I'm going to go ahead and cut this piece in half across the dimensional, okay? And then I'm going to flip it over, and I'm going to go ahead and sponge that part. and take the paper off. There we go. And I'm going to go ahead and stick this right on his wee little eye. And I'm going to do the same thing for the other one. And yes, you will get inky and you will get dirty. That's why I've always had my tagline as Inky Hugs, because I am always getting inky and dirty. Okay, so there's his eyes. And then you just want to take a white gel pen. And I'm sorry for the contraband, but my Stampin' Up! One ran out of ink. And I didn't have time to order a new one. So please forgive the contraband. And then I'm just going to go ahead and take Stampin' or the little mini glue dots and stick his wee little eyes on. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and make him have a wee little smile. So again, sorry for the contraband. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take the hat again, and I'm going to stick him right at the top of the hat, but I'm going to fluff up some of this webbing and stick him in the webbing. Put some glue on his back. Okay, and there you go. Now you can spray him again and make him glittery. You can do whatever you like, but there is your new centerpiece for your Halloween table. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see you all later today. Don't forget to join in, because if you're a member, then you have the opportunity to win prizes. Have a great, great afternoon. Bye-bye.